What's going on, guys? It's Marco BO3. Welcome back to my channel where I do whatever I want.
Flexion.
Sheesh. I smell good. Gucci cologne. I don't wanna fuck. Give me some dome. Bitch be thirsty. Blow
So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to basically make the thumbnails. I know you guys seen that thumbnail. It was very lady. And the title of this video, you already know what I'm going to be doing. Is showing you guys how to make a banger thumbnail. So if y'all ready, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and follow me on my social medias will be on the screen. And also be down below. My iCard will be up there to my other videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so if there's any background noise, that is coming from my brother. So the 3 apps you'll be needing for this video is Snapchat. So let's go ahead and bring Snapchat out of here. I'm gonna make a folder. Snapchat, Superimpose X, and also Phonto. Those are literally the only 3 apps that you will need. So first thing first is let's open Snapchat. So now picture. Let's see, I'm gonna be in my room. I'm gonna take a picture. Let's see where I can take this picture. Like, I think right here would be nice in front of the window. So go like this. Like that. I'm gonna actually use this, guys, so. And then click the check button to save it to your camera roll. Click the home button and then open up Superimpose X. So I have been practicing on some of these. And then you want to scroll over to the 16:9 one right here. And then click the save button, like, so we can bring ourselves here. So you guys might think, okay, this is weird. Like, I'm gonna use this for my background, but you guys probably think, well, that's weird, but I'm also gonna use me for my background as well. You'll get it once I show you guys. So I'm gonna click on the little editor tab all the way over to the right, and then click on tools, and then go over, and then it's gonna be a zoom blur, or you can do a motion blur. For this one, I'm gonna do a zoom blur. And you can also move your blurs around, by the way. And then I'm going to click the plus button, photo layer, and then add the photo over again. And you don't have to crop size this one. So what you want to do now is click the mask and then go up. And all the way to the right, it says masking tool. I'm going to use the first one, which is called the Magic Lasso. This is the one I love the most. And then you want to start trimming, basically on the outlines. Now with the lines, it does have to be straight, but it doesn't have to be straight. As you guys can see, I'm making a semi-straight line, but you don't want it to be too bumpy, because when you do like the little white outline, it is gonna be a little bumpy. So that's why you want to make sure you do it very straight, like as straight as you can. But yeah. Oh, an easier way to do this is that you can use like the little pins with the grips. So I'm gonna speed this part up and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna click the check button. As you guys can see, I am all cropped out. So what you want to do is go to transform, click the transfer, like the setting button at the bottom, and then this choices aspect, snap, fit to base, flip V, flip H, and blend will pop up. Click the fit to base. That way it's like you just moved, but you also did not move. And then go to editor and go all the way over to masking outline. I'm gonna do a mask outline. I'll leave it right where it is. So guys, what I mean by like keep the line straight, this is what I meant. Like when you see how I didn't keep it straight around here, it's alright, but I'm still gonna use it because far away it looks cool, right? It's already looking litty. So yeah, what is this? Oh, nope, we don't want to do that. Okay, you can add filters, you can add little effects, you can add little blur radius. You can like if you're doing like a mystery thing, all you have to do like change it to black. And I'm show you guys how to do the colors. Like take a picture of it and then maybe you can blur it out like a new member of the team. Yeah, that's how people do that. And then now what you want to do is you want to go to the layers tab, the first one, and then click the plus button, the add layer button, and click photo layer. And then click photo layer, and then click at the bottom. There's gonna be photo search mask ILB and colors and paste. Click on the colors tab, and let's do a green. And then you want to do the 16:9 one because that's the same size as your thumbnail. And then you're gonna transform, the second option at the bottom, and you're gonna do fit to base. And now you guys are probably like, well, you can't see yourself, but all you have to do is literally click transform and click blend. They have multiply, they have screen, they have overlay, and they have darken. So I use overlay. In my opinion, it's better. And then this is the thumbnail right here. And then you guys are probably like, well, you look like a green Smurf or a Grinch or anything. All you have to do is click on the little, so at the top, there's the settings tab, the upload tab, the pictures tab, the layer tab, and the other layers tab. Click on the last one, and then click on the second one and hold it down, and then literally bring it up. That way you're overlapping the green, that way you're not green. So now, the camera fill, you got access to camera fill it like that. Like as you guys can see, I can just have to take pictures of myself. Like I can retake my picture, and then yeah. So now I'm gonna add words to it. So I'm gonna click the upload button, and then I'm gonna click save, and then click the home button. And this is where Fonto comes in handy for everyone. Fonto is where it's the easiest app where you can just add any kind of text to your videos. Well, for photos, videos, that app is for Vaunt. So go to your moments, and right here, as you guys can see, I selected it. So click the image. I'm gonna install some fonts. So to install fonts, all you have to do is go here. I like using Road Rage. So go to dafont.com. That link will be in the description box down below. So now what you want to do is search up Road. You guys don't have to use the font that I'm using. You can search any kind of fonts. They have all kinds of cool fonts. And then come over here and click download. But like I said, if you guys want to download this font, link is in the description box down below. So click more, and then I'm gonna open it to Fonto. Copy to Fonto. You guys don't have to do this, by the way. The app Fonto comes with text fonts. See, these are all their fonts. I don't like them. Some of them are cool. So go to my fonts and row range. So we're gonna be like, how to make a like that, and I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna stroke it. I love stroking my things black, guys. Oh no, this thing is kind of glitching me out. So guys, if this thing glitches me out, I'm literally going to yeah. So literally, when I get back, I'm gonna get back with you guys when I'm done stroking all. Okay guys, so if y'all are copying this thing, if y'all are like following this tutorial right now, I'm so sorry. It's not, Fonto is not really working for me. How to make a style. As you guys can see, it's Oh, it's back to normal. Oh my gosh. Yes. Alright guys, so it works. So let's stroke it black. Let's do a little black stroke. I always stroke my things to 20. When it's definitely when it's a white text, I'm always stroking it. That way it pops out more. So this is what I have right now, and then I'm gonna resize this. I'm gonna size this up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna really get back to you guys when this thing starts. So I'm back. And I got it to work actually. It finally works. So this is the thumbnail I'm gonna use, guys. So all you gotta do is upload it and save image. And yeah. So it's gonna save to my camera roll. And whenever you make a video, just let's go view it. Let's go view it. I know you guys want to see your thumbnails. I'm gonna show you guys some thumbnails that I've been practicing on. No, these are not real sponsored thumbnails. This is when I was first starting to make them. They were not that good. So then I started getting like this. And then this is my brother's channels. I mean, not channels, but this is their thumbnails I tried to make. These are all the fake sponsors I had got. So these are not really real sponsors. So yeah, you guys. This right here is our thumbnail that we just made right here. So if you guys liked your thumbnail that you created today and you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my social medias. Will be on the side of the screen all throughout the video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.